I'm Kevin across America, and while this might look like Lombard Street in San Francisco, this is actually Iowa. The 24,000 people who call Burlington, Iowa home are quite proud of this dizzying brick roadway. Its official name, Snake Alley, because of how it snakes its way down this steep bluff. Ripley's Believe It or Not describes the alley as unbelievably crooked. Let's start by rewinding to the 1890s. 3 German immigrants built the winding hillside street, hoping to link Burlington's downtown business district with a neighborhood up above. Crews laid bricks at an angle to provide horses with better footing, yet those horses often had a hard time getting up the hill, leading to some broken bones and buggy crashes. To prevent further mayhem, Snake Alley has long been a one-way downhill street with 5 half curves and 2 quarter curves. So here we go driving down Snake Alley. According to Ripley's Believe It or Not, Snake Alley has 1,100 degrees of turns. And while Lombard Street in San Francisco is significantly longer than Snake Alley, Iowans claim it's not as curvy. Take that, San Fran.
It's famous for, crookedest one, crookedest road, so.
That's Terry Lane behind the wheel of her compact-sized Chevy. She drove her Aunt Peggy, who was visiting from out of town, for a touristy ride down Snake Alley.
It's great. It's really steep though.
It's really steep.
Really curvy.
So I've not driven down it. I've ridden in the car when we've gone down it before, but first time driving down it.
If driving isn't your thing, you can walk up or down Snake Alley, taking in the scenery along the way. 6 buildings flank the 275-foot-long street, including the First United Church of Christ and the Garrett Phelps House Museum. Aunt Peggy, however, preferred the landscaping.
She loves the roses, it's really pretty planted along the side of it, yeah.
Snake Alley is further proof that so-called flyover country is sometimes worth driving through. All right, that wasn't too bad. Better than I thought. From the Mississippi River town of Burlington, Iowa, I'm Kevin, across America.